How to stake Iota and earn Shimmer and Assembly tokens for free. First, go to the Iota Firefly website at firefly.iota.org, hit the button for your operating system of choice, wait for it to download and install it. Add a profile, create a username, tag developer profile and continue. Create a new wallet. Choose either software wallet or hardware wallet depending on your requirements. Then, download the Save Recovery Kit template. This will give you a printable PDF where you can log all the relevant information for your new wallet. Remember, if you lose this information, you will lose access to your wallet, so keep it safe. Create a strong password, decide on a 6-digit PIN number and enter it twice. You'll get another reminder telling you to back up all of this information, and then it will then ask you to write down your 24-word seed phrase. You'll have to type this back into the wallet afterwards, so make sure you write down the words exactly how they are next to each relevant number. Once you've created your wallet, log in using your 6-digit PIN number. Click Receive and send Iota that you've bought from an exchange to your new Firefly wallet address. Exchanges will not stake Iota for you. Once you have funds in your account, go to the third tab on the left, then click Stake Funds, follow it through to Staking Management and click the Stake button. I believe the minimum amounts required to stake are around 0.33 Myota for ASMB and 13 Myota for SMR. If you have enough Myota, you can stake both tokens to get rewards for both. There are 2 days left before staking starts. If you want to get the full staking reward, get it done before it goes live.